All right, we're on Gun Lake. We got 29-mile-an-hour winds. It's rain. Not really much rain, but
yeah, that's it. Morning, Ryan.
It's pretty nice in the tent, though.
sit on that chair, Ryan, so it don't blow away. And
Morning,
now it's
Ryan.
and now it's done. Oh, it is not done.
As soon as you walk out.
It's not done.
Yeah, I'm feeling the rain.
Oh, here's the rain. They said it was supposed to have 29-mile-an-hour winds.
It's not gonna rain. It is raining.
I told you it wasn't going to rain.
50%.
Hasn't rained the whole trip. Comes the rain again every day. Nah, it's not that awful bad. I can always flip it back over. Probably should have flipped it over when that 40-mile-an-hour wind was coming through. Yeah, I think this little gust front's done. Knife Lake, over and out.